So I decided to try this in my neighborhood pillar, so that I don't have to go into the office to do this testing for a new product. So yeah, here putting the plate on and strapping up the ratchet, top one, and then the bottom ratchet, and now the plate has gone in. The surface area of this pillar is about 6 1/4 inches, and if you look at that, that's the plate has gone in. Now the mount is going in. Put a screw at the bottom and then on the top, or you can do top first and then the bottom. That has been tightened. My daughter, who was helping me shoot this video, helped me do a swivel function on this bracket, and you can see that it's really flexible. You can do it. So this is a circular pillar, a very small diameter. The circumference is 13 inches. That's the smallest we can accommodate with this Condomounts column mounting bracket. So putting these on are really simple. We provide you with wing nuts and washers. So as soon as the bracket goes in, tighten it, and then you're done. Hang the TV on where my hand is and rotate it to any direction you like. Can go for this pillar 360 degrees around the pillar. So this is a newer edition of our product to cater for smaller pillars. Look at the photos. Our products, our mounts can be moved anytime to any height. They tidy properly and can extend out 25 inches, put back in. Good for pillars from nearly every size, from 3 inches of diameter. Then yeah, the straps can be painted any color you want, spray painted, and these are a couple of photos that we have taken, or customers have given us in different locations. Thank you.